So let's just use our imagination. This is your Brazilian wax. Your first two steps here are going to be on the outside of the bikini line. We're going to remove any hair that grows on the outer edge of the bikini line. We're removing that first. That's your step one. And then your step two is on the other side. We can mirror image these applications because then it means it will speed up our wax. So we're going to have this one applied. As that's set in, you apply the other side. So once we're ready, we want to get our handles up. And once we have our handles picked up, stretch the skin. We're going to do parallel pulls along the edge of the bikini line. Don't worry about any hair that could be on the leg further down. We can clean that up later on because it is very normal to have pubic hair that goes down the thigh. Hand placement, move on to the next step. Our next step is to remove anything that's on the labia, the outer part of the labia, the lip. We're going to run a bit of wax down one side of the labia. I'm not going any higher than the pubic mound here where it starts because this top part of the pubic mound we're going to do later on. This bit here is more sensitive, so we want to make sure it's in a smaller section for us to be able to take that away without it causing any discomfort to our client. We don't mirror image because we don't want to get matted to the other side. Once it's nice and set, we want to get either our client to stretch at the top here if they need a bit more comfort, or you're going to stretch right underneath here, almost like you're pushing the buttock into the actual bed or couch, wherever you're working, because we want this whole labia side here to be completely fully stretched so it's supported when we go to pull. We're going to get our handle. Once we've got our grip of our handle, we're going to do a quick parallel pull, and it's going to be one quick pull. Straight after, we're going to put our hand placement. Straight off, hand placement, and this will stop any of the tingling sensation that we're going to get across the skin and take some of the warmth out.